guys, and welcome to part 2 of the New York moving vlog. I am so excited. Skylar's on her way. She should be like 5 minutes away now. She is my roommate, obviously. I've been here by myself for like a full week and it's been kind of sad. So I'm super excited to finally have her here. So freaking excited. I haven't seen her since Italy, which is the saddest thing ever, but I'm so excited to see her, catch up, and get this apartment furnished because she's bringing like the couch and the rug and like all the like living room area stuff. So I'm so excited. It's about to get like full. It's not gonna be empty anymore. It's gonna look lively. I'm so excited. So hopefully you guys are excited for part 2 of this vlog. It should be better than the first because we're finally finishing things up. And then hopefully we'll get an apartment tour up soon once we like fully decorate and furnish everything properly, because I'm sure we're gonna go out and buy like decorations and stuff tomorrow anyway. But super excited, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for the rest of the day. Look who's here! Woo!
Let me unpack, gosh.
So sorry. Look at all this. Wow, it's not an empty living room anymore. We're excited. I'm excited.
So excited!
Woo!
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the...
So we out here at the Chelsea Market getting a picnic basket for our picnic in Central Park tomorrow. What do we think? I think that one's the cutest.
Yeah, it looks like
Because it's like, it looks sturdy. Oh, spacious? Spacious enough. We got this.
It'll work.
We got this. We out here now. We went to Sweet Green. It's over there somewhere. I got, I don't even know what it's called, a Harvest Bowl, I think. I'm very excited. I'm very hungry. I don't know how to open this.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Ooh, that looks so good. We're out here in Chelsea. We went to the market for a little bit, but we're sitting down here. It's a really cute area. Very excited. Let's feast.
Hello, puppy.
Look at that one. Hold up.
Look at you. Hello.
That one. I want you. I want it. I want it. I want you. Oh, they're so cute. Hello, good morning. It's the next day, and I really failed miserably at vlogging yesterday, so we are gonna do better today. Today's plans include IKEA, hopefully to get the last few things that we need. We need like a coffee table, maybe like a dining table, and I need a desk because I ordered one on Amazon and then it came in late, and then they're like, oh, I think your package is lost. And I was like, okay, fantastic. So, need a desk. Then after that, we're probably gonna come here for a little bit, and then we're gonna go on a picnic in Central Park later, which I'm very excited about because we got a cute little picnic basket yesterday at the Chelsea Market when we went. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully I do better about vlogging today. We're really trying here, so.
The other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong, cannot keep it low-key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me?
We made it! Woo! Yeah, we're about to go ham on this, honestly. Rest in peace, my bank account. Well, we spent a lot, got a lot of stuff, got a lot of good stuff, got some plans. I'm excited. This should be fun to put together. Looking for an Uber now.
I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you. you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer?
Okay, hello, we are now out because IKEA furniture was just not doing it for us. Let's just say that. We set up mostly everything. My desk, a little wobbly, but you know what is there? Our dining table, she's not fully there yet. But it was time for us to meet for our picnic out here in Central Park, so we're out here. Very excited. We got a cute picnic basket down there. Got our goods. We also just bought goods too. But Madison and her roommate are gonna come meet up with us somewhere once we find a spot. So we're excited, it's gonna be cute, we're gonna get cute pictures, we got good food, it's gonna be fan-freaking-tastic. Got our cute little picnic setup going, we got a cute little basket, nice little blinky thingy to sit on. We got the goods, Madison's on her way over, so I'm excited. Oh, there's Madison, speaking of, she's right there. Taking city bikes back home! Woo! Got to go through Times Square, this should be fun! Heck yeah! I think I'm gonna die! Why am I doing this to myself? Look at us doing it too! Yeah! Whoop. I am going to die. Whoop. Wow, this is actually fun. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, we have to. Whoop! I'm so bad with my left hand. I can't. I think it swoops us around. Hello. We survived the city bikes. Barely. Almost crashed a few times. We lost the bike lane for a little bit. It kind of just disappeared. So that was a little scary, but we made it. We're home. I'm gonna shower and then we're gonna get back to building stuff. So I got the desk going. Not very stable because I couldn't get the screws all the way in because my hand hurt. I got this up, so I'm gonna finish that, put all that on there. Our dining table, that leg is just not really screwing in, so we're gonna have to fix that, figure that out, and then that'll be done. The living room's pretty much all done. We have a bunch of lights that we're gonna put up here, but we don't have push pins, so we're gonna have to do that tomorrow or some other time this week. But it's coming along pretty well. We just have a bunch of trash to take down. But yeah, and once Skylar's bed gets here, then she can move all her stuff over there too. It should be good. Look at Skylar go, she got that table set up. It is up and running. We gotta move these out of the way so then we can gotta move those tables out of the way, and then we can put those chairs. And our cute little decoration. Heck yeah.
Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
Here is the setup. I have these things to put up. I don't know where I'm gonna put them up, if I want to put them here or there, but I'll probably get more stuff to put up on my wall anyway, just to like have a more creative looking space. But this is what we're working with. I've got my stuff from last year here, if I ever want a reference to it. I've got some like new stuff for this year, like notebooks and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but like they're there. My art supplies and like extra sewing stuff. I need a new sewing like carrier thing to like, I don't know, put my stuff in, because this is super old and has peace signs and it's kind of embarrassing. But I got it. probably in middle school, so. I have my planner, which I need to plan my stuff in. Got my serger, my sewing machine. I got a bunch of like ribbons stuff, like little extra elastics and whatnot, and then a bunch of school stuff, school supplies. Got ribbons back there. I got my cute little Vogue book to like make it look prettier. And then I've got all my bobbins and all my bobbins are there, and then all my threads, extra threads, etc. So that's my setup. Heck yeah. Hello guys, so I am currently in my room now. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because tomorrow's Monday, school starts, and then it's just gonna be a whole week of kind of like last minute touches on the apartment. I don't want to show you guys too much of us putting it together, so that way when we have an apartment tour, like kind of like new stuff in there too and you haven't seen it all yet. So I'm gonna end it here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed kind of just seeing us put this apartment together. It's coming along really well. You've seen like most of it. I think there's only a few little things to put together besides like Skylar's whole bed that hasn't come in yet, but I'm very excited to finish it up. I hope you guys are too. So stay tuned for next week. We'll probably have the apartment tour up. Hopefully we get everything done this week so that we can have that up for next week. I'm so excited. So feel free to subscribe if you're not already subscribed so you can, you know, get notified when I upload a new video. And follow me on social medias. My Instagram is @natalia.trevino if you want to follow me on there. I also have a design Instagram if you ever want to follow my designs. It is @Natalia Trevino Amaro. I don't post too often, but when I do. I don't know. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, it's @ntrevino17. I don't tweet too much, but when I do, we know it's kind of fun, so follow that. I also have a travel blog, which if you guys want to follow, you can subscribe to it. It is travelwithnatalia.com. I am trying to get more consistent with it. I just have to get into a schedule of uploading. I still haven't figured that out with my school week yet, so you know, I'll figure it out. But I do have a few posts up already. It'll be like a lot of travel content, whether that be like itineraries or like full guides to a place or just like travel tips, tricks, all that stuff, because traveling is a huge passion of mine. So definitely want to share that with you guys too. But yeah, that is it. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.